stiff wear.
That's all me. If you ain't gang, don't approach me. Hello, ghetto.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. As the title stated, I'm going to be showing you how I got a bomb braid out using just one product. So as most wash days start, we're in the shower. All great styles start with the shampooing process because you need to get any product that has been on your hair from the past week, from the previous style off, so that the products that you're going to add for your current style can adhere and can make your curls pop. So right now I'm just shampooing with some cheap shampoo some cheap hotel shampoo that I tried, and it just happened to be bomb. I don't remember the name, I don't know where you can find it, but it's good and I'm gonna need to look for it online. So that's all I'm doing right now. So I've washed all the shampoo out and now it's time to deep condition. Please don't be like me. Don't do this. Do not do that. I was not expecting that deep condition to be so I don't know, for lack of a better word, runny. But yeah, it wasn't as thick as I thought it was going to be, but I wasn't mad at it. It had great slip. It felt good on my hair. Like I said, it wasn't thick, but it didn't feel, it didn't feel lightweight. Like it still feel like it was coating my strands, and it still feel like it was penetrating or getting through my strands. So as you can see now, just give you some bounce back action. Yeah, it was detangling with this deep conditioner was a breeze. Once I was done deep conditioning or applying the deep conditioner, I just twisted my hair into 4 sections and I covered it with a plastic cap. And in the next clip, you'll see how much deep conditioner I used. I used like 75% of this deep conditioner in one use. What was I doing? Oh my gosh, I'm so embarrassed. Okay, so it has been a few hours since I came out of the shower. I was giving my hair time to like dry, but not really dry. I didn't want to style it soaking wet, but it's still wet. If being honest, my hair is still wet. So we're gonna do a braid out using this product right here. So now it's time to start the braiding process. I applied my leave-in conditioner in the shower, and so I'm just I'd assume that everyone here knows how to braid. So I'm just going to divide my hair into, I'd say, medium-sized sections and apply the product to each section. I didn't use too much because this product is sticky. Show you the consistency. It's very sticky. I'm taking about that much. I know we make time for the things that we want. Y'all, we had a power outage like mid tutorial, so like all of my lighting went out and everything was dark, so I didn't think it would make sense to include that lighting, so you don't get to see me do most of the braids, but it came back on in time so you can see how my hair looked once I had completed all of the braids. And as you can see, like, I didn't do them small at all, and that's one thing I like about braid outs. You don't have to do small sections like you would have to with a twist out to get good results. Now guys, this is like 4 days later. So I did this hairstyle on Monday and I took these braids out on Friday. I was looking like bye Felicia the entire week, but I had nowhere to go, so it didn't matter. So now I'm just taking out the braids. I applied some oil on my hands beforehand and I'm just taking my time. These clips are sped up so it doesn't look that way, but I'm taking my time as I remove the braids. I decided to take all of the braids out first and then go in and separate, but after I was done I realized that I didn't make any sense. So on the other side, as I took the braids out, I separated because I feel like I was giving myself more work, and remember, work smarter, not harder. So I'm just taking each of the braids out, being careful so I don't cause too much unnecessary frizz. Just want y'all to appreciate this shine. After having my hair in these braids for almost a week, there's literally little to no frizz on these braids. Look at that shine, baby. Baby, can we appreciate that? Look at that. So one side is complete, as you can see here, and now I gave myself double work and I have to go back and separate each of the sections. Don't do this. Separate as you go, because you're probably gonna miss pieces if you go this route, and that's not cute. That's not cute at all. So separate as you take down the braids. So these are the final results of the one product braid out. As you can see, there's definition, there's shine, and the only product used was the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture. What can I not read? The main choice, Tropical Moringa Pearly braid-out glaze. That's all I use. After I washed, deep conditioned, I applied my leave-in, and this was the only styling product used for this braid-out. That's it. So that's the end of this video. Just want to thank everyone for watching. I hope that you gained something from it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned if you want to see more videos. Subscribe, like this if you enjoyed it, dislike if you didn't. I mean, why would you do that? But Tink, today's Friday. Tink dropped a project. You're probably not going to see this on Friday, but I will be reacting to Tink's project, A Gift and a Curse, and if you want to see that video, I suggest you stick around. Okay.